I would like to congratulate to you all. And once again, I would like to heartily welcome to our respected Managing Director, Mr. Balram Khanalsher, here in the front. Everyone, welcome him with a big round of applause. After this, I would like to heartily welcome to our respected Principal, Mr. Japindra Upanishar. Everyone, big him up. Give him a big round of applause. And today, we are in a very happy moment. We have become very glad because our historical record has been broken up. So in this proud moment, our one of the beloved student, Master Saugat Pandey is able to pass the SE with 4 GPA, a very outstanding result. Everyone, welcome him with big round of applause, and our school administration has decided to award him with 1 lakh cash prize. So, please once again congratulate and welcome him with big round of applause. And I would like to request to our Managing Director and School Principal Mr. Japindra Upanishar to hand over this check to our beloved student Master Saugat Pandey. Please give him a big round of applause.